Good afternoon, I am Ranish Shrestha. I am a student here at Griffith College, currently studying the Masters of Science in Pharmaceutical Business and Technology course. I'm a microbiologist from Nepal. In Nepal, I used to work at a cancer hospital as an infection preventionist, also as an internal quality auditor and a researcher. I stay around 5 kilometers south of Griffith College, so my day starts very early and I cycle here. Well, one of the good things that I find in Ireland is that, people here focus a lot on healthy living. So even while I'm traveling to the college, I see a lot of people running, jogging, cycling, so which is really encouraging. And I come to college, I take my classes, we have our breaks, and afterwards I go to the Students' Union building, I meet my friends there, I play some piano there, and then I go home. So till now, the educational experience, the experience in general, life in Ireland has been very good, and I think it'll get better as we are having better weather. Spring is coming around, and after that we'll also be applying for pharmaceutical jobs and positions within Ireland. So that's my plans for the near end. As a microbiologist, I'm aware about the growing problem of antimicrobial resistance. Even in my past employment, I used to work so as to control antibiotic resistance at my hospital. And the silver bullet against antibiotic resistance is to discover new compounds, new molecules against this emerging threat. And while working at the Oncology Center, I could see the immense potential of revolutionary platforms, technologies such as targeted therapy, immunotherapy against cancer cases. And at the same time, while dealing with COVID, we all know that the pharma industry with the scientific community came up with the vaccine within such a short period of time. So all these factors made me realize the immense potential of the pharma industry in affecting not only the lives of patients but also of people in general. And that's what really drew me to the industry in the first place. After looking online towards various courses worldwide, I came across the course given by Griffith, specifically the course given by Innofarma. I looked through the course and I realized that the course here not only focuses on the technical aspects of the pharma industry, but also the business aspects, the operations, as well as the regulatory framework surrounding this highly regulated industry. So that was what initially drew me to the course. In our first semester, we have to study a separate module called the 21st Century Dynamics and Emerging Trends in the Pharma Industry. So in this particular module, we are introduced to various new technologies and new treatment platforms such as the DNA and RNA-based technology, CRISPR-Cas, the cell and tissue-based technology, not only at the curative side, that is the therapy side of the pharma industry, but also the diagnostic tools, perhaps maybe medical devices and other sectors. So this is where we are really introduced to the emerging trends worldwide in the pharma industry. So yes, the course right now teaches us a lot of different skills from a diverse portfolio of concentrations within the pharma industry. So as I mentioned earlier, for example, the pharma industry requires a lot of technical skills as well as business acumen as well, because pharma industry needs to do a lot of investment into its projects. So right from the very beginning, we get skills from different fields, such as from quality control to validation to processes, as well as regulations surrounding the industry to emerging technologies. And in this particular semester, in the second semester, I'm learning about fields such as the operational excellence, strategy, innovation, as well as clinical research and clinical trials. So yes, you get knowledge and skills about a lot of areas which are extremely relevant to the pharma industry. Individual assessments, yes, and we also get, for example, sessions where we develop our CVs and tailor our CVs based on our interest and our skills. So the course really makes us ready, to enter the pharma industry. Yeah. The course itself is taken by professionals from Innofarma. So this particular course that I'm taking, it's accredited by, it's taking place within the Griffith College premises, but all the tutors, all the lecturers, all the professionals and specialists are from Innofarma. And one of the lucrative aspects of this particular course is that the specialists are Innofarma are directly specialists who have worked and are working in industry, either as professionals or as consultants. So that's how the link between Griffith College and Innofarma gives us this course. I came to Ireland in October, although the course started in September, and also the weather is improving in Ireland, so that's a very big plus point. And one thing that I really like about the education here and is that the lecturers not only focus on the education, but they focus on us having a good time outside our classes as well. So they really encourage us to visit around Dublin, visit around in other counties as well. It's been pretty good. It's been pretty cool till now.